OneMiners! This is our new cute Fluminer, and we can take a peek how is it looking inside. We just received this box straight from company which manufacturing this thing in China, and let's go in. Yeah. This is how the foam looking inside. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is some bracket. It seems like it's for rack placement, and this is some antenna, and this is Fluminer. It has 5.3 gigahash on Litecoin Scrypt algorithm, and I just love how cute this one is. Let's take a look inside. Take a look at the beauty. This is kind of a legend miner that you want to have in your living room, or like, take a look on this silver line Fluminer, and over here you can see it's a Fluminer L1, and hash rate is 5.3 gigahash per second. This machine makes about 1.9 USD per day at the time of filming this video, and you can mine Litecoin, Dogecoin, and whole family of these coins. Over here there's some connection. There is a power plug, Ethernet, and antenna. This is a TF card slot for if you want to flash or update your firmware. And this is intake for power source, probably. And you can see some fans inside. You can see the buttons, status LEDs at front, standard reset button, and IP reporter, and DHCP. This is it. This is really the pretty one. Okay, what else would you like?